Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions I received, like can you borrow money from your life insurance? Yes, you can borrow money from your life insurance policy, but only if you have a permanent life insurance policy such as whole life or universal life insurance that has built up cash value over a very long time now. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can borrow from your life insurance work. So watch the video to the very end because you make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. Let's get started. So the first thing to do is to check the value required. You can borrow up to 90% of your cash value, and also no credit check. It's your money, so approval is easy. Then also you can also flexible repayment, no fixed schedule. You can repay when you choose. And also loan request rate, usually lower than personal loans or credit card. And also step to borrow from your life insurance. The first step is to check your cash value, then contact your insurer to see how much is available in your cash value, and also request a loan. Fill out a loan application with your insurance provider, then receive funds usually by direct deposit or check within a few days. And that's how you can simply borrow money from your life insurance policy. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.